This wireless power bank can wirelessly charge all cell phones that support Qi wireless charging technology. Cable-free and tangle-free, compatible with iPhone Model XR, XR Max, XS, X8, 8 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy Model S9, S9 Plus, S8, and S8 Plus, etc. It brand new design with higher solar energy conversion. When 5 premium solar panels are magnetically attached, it works as a solar panel charger with max 1300 mAh charging current. When it is detached, a ceiling bar helps it work as an individual portable power bank with dual outputs. Solar charger, as long as there is sunlight, for high conversion solar charging panels can be continuously charged. Its solar power is 12 W and the input current is 1.5 A. Solar power bank 38,800 mAh large battery, let you get rid of the anxiety of battery power anytime and anywhere. Solar power bank has a wireless charging function, 2 USB output ports, can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. Note, only Qi-enabled devices are compatible with wireless charging. Power bank is waterproof, drop-proof and dust-proof, and can still work normally in extreme environments. Solar power bank has a built-in smart chip that can automatically identify and be compatible with different devices, convert fluctuating voltage into stable voltage, stabilize the device, and ensure safe use. This solar charger power bank has dual USB. It makes it easy to charge 2 smartphones simultaneously or a tablet at full speed. Intelligent security protection, avoid overcurrent, overvoltage, overload and short circuit, etc. 5 pilot indicators indicate the status of the battery charger. Green light on when charging by a solar, blue light on when USB charging. Made of durable and reliable ABS plus PC plus silicone material, protects it from rain, dirt, and shock/drops. This solar power bank can charge an iPhone 11 about 8 times, a Galaxy S20 about 6 times, and a tablet about 2 times. When fully recharged, it will provide your phone with almost 1 week's power. With 4 high-performance solar panels, the solar charging speed of this solar battery charger can reach up to 6 W under direct sunlight, which is 4 times faster than that of a single panel. The foldable panels make it portable and compact to carry. This solar phone charger with dual USB ports allows you to share juice simultaneously and quickly charge your phone from 0% to 50% in 30 minutes. The ports with automatically power and /output match protects your devices from overcharging, overcurrent and short circuits. The solar battery power bank is great convenient power source for all outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and fishing. Big Blue 28W solar charger allows you to charge multiple devices at once. It comes with Smart Charge technology which can recognize your device smartly, then providing optimal charging speed vary with different devices. Big Blue ensure 100% safe charging with overcurrent, overheating and short circuit protection. Big Blue USB solar charger offers a tiny power plant that can generate power for your phone, Android and Apple, and small electronics to keep them charged when the sun is out. Note, you need the extra original cable for Apple devices. Our solar phone charger can't store the electricity and can't charge the laptops and iPad Pro. Highly efficient SunPower solar panel convert up to 24% of solar power into free energy in enough sunlight, which is the most durable panels at present, standing up to elements and wear and tear better than conventional panels. This special PET polymer surface protects solar panel from occasional rain or wet, fog, and free ports are covered with rubber cover to protect them from dust or water damage.